Mars ebook 30 Sunsets on Mars, a book designed by ChatGPT 5, how well it could be written, about an ebook about going to Mars, with robots that help find life on the red planet. Chapter 1, The Launch Window. Dr. Elias Mercer stood inside the glass observation deck at Cape Canaveral, watching the massive rocket breathe steam into the cool morning air. Years of preparation had condensed into this single moment. The world was watching, but for Elias, the mission was personal, a chance to prove that Mars was not barren, not silent. At his side, crates of specialized robots awaited, each designed for digging, drilling, sensing, and analyzing. Humanity had sent machines before, but never this many, and never with him. As the countdown echoed across the control center, Elias whispered the words that had driven his entire life. We're not alone. Chapter 2, The Machines of Red Soil. The robots weren't just tools, they were companions of engineering genius. Rover 7 could climb jagged cliffs, Spindle was a tunneling worm-like machine that could sniff out underground ice, and Argus was a floating sphere that mapped radiation and atmosphere in real time. Elias had programmed their personalities, subtle quirks of speech and logic, so he wouldn't feel completely alone. The cargo bay smelled of oil, ozone, and metal, an orchestra of machines humming as if impatient. Each robot carried within it the dream of discovering life, but Elias knew, if life existed on Mars, it might not welcome them. Chapter 3, Crimson Arrival. After months drifting in the endless black, the ship shuddered as thrusters ignited, guiding it into the thin Martian atmosphere. Outside, the planet glowed like rusted iron under the sun. The descent was brutal. Alarms screamed, hull plates rattled. But when silence returned, the red desert stretched out endlessly. Dust storms whirled like angry ghosts, and mountains the size of continents loomed in the distance. Elias felt a strange pulse of fear and awe. For the first time in human history, a scientist and his mechanical team had set foot, if steel treads counted, upon the red frontier.